So following placement of an order, you'll be assigned a dedicated site coordinator. They'll ideally try and carry out 2 site visits to meet with your construction team and go through all the finer details. When it comes to the actual installation, typically this takes 3 days, although it can be slightly longer for larger projects. On the first day, we'll prep the area, we'll install all the mesh, the protection to the walls, the isolation joints. The second day is where we pour the concrete. This can take anywhere from 10 to 20 hours depending on the conditions of the day. On the third day, we'll then cut the crack inducement joints and cover and protect the floor. At this point, it's handed back to your construction team who can carry on work as normal. They can plaster the walls, fit the kitchen, do everything that's required whilst that protection is in place. We'll then return for typically 1 day to carry out the final clean, polish and seal. This is where we apply the sealant to the matte satin or gloss finish that you require and give the floor its final treatment ready for you to use.